it was like the luckiest thing in the world, right? I mean, that happened, and I posted the video about the job, and he reached out, and this ball was rolling on this thing, and it is showing me now that there's other avenues now that there weren't before.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Like even this TikTok thing, me putting myself out there. I don't think I could ever become a teacher in that sense. You know what I mean? In like a school or something like that. But I was able to start just doing it on TikTok. And over time, it grew a little bit, and it is what it is now. And that's a really special thing for somebody to be able to do now in any way, shape, or form. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And so when you talked about your stepson, and he's kind of, I've seen a couple, you've mentioned him in a video once or twice, a couple different times.
His name is Zach.
Zach.
Yeah.
So how does, is your kind of situation and what you've gone through and your time in the industry, does Zach not see it as a warning sign or take it as that?
He's got the bug, man. Like he's just cars. He lives them right now. He's just like it's such a coincidental thing because I don't really think that I did it. You know what I mean? But I'm nurturing it. I can tell you that for sure. And I am doing my best to use this thing as an example. So as I'm moving forward at my clip where I'm at now, and I'm having some of the hardships that I'm having, I'm trying to overcome them as I am now to show him, that it can be different. That it's not, that this isn't the end of my story.
Right.
You don't understand? Like it's important to me to be that example for him. Because I don't want to put a negative